We guide you through how to fix your iPhone alarm sounds if too low and causing you to miss important wake ups. So, the first thing you need to do is to go to your settings, scroll down, and tap sounds and haptics. Then look for the ringer and alert slider and drag it all the way to the right to increase the volume. Make sure the Change with Buttons option is turned off so your alarm volume won't accidentally go down when you adjust volume buttons. Next, go back and open the clock app, tap Alarm, select your active alarm, tap Sound, and choose a louder tone like radar or any default tone that's more noticeable. Avoid soft or calm tones because they won't wake you up effectively. After that, check if your iPhone is connected to Bluetooth devices like earbuds or speaker because your alarm might be playing there instead of your phone's speaker. Simply turn off Bluetooth in settings to fix that. Also make sure attention aware feature is turned off by going to settings, Face ID and passcode because this feature lowers alarm volume when it detects you're looking at your phone. And lastly, restart your iPhone to refresh the system and apply all changes.